The Santi barley is a nutrient-rich food that comes all the way from New Zealand, and it's now available as a food supplement.
Barley is, is a grass, and it's coming from New Zealand. It's very natural, it's organic. That's why we have a certificate from BioGrow New Zealand na yung Santi barley ay 100% organic, 100% natural. It's very rich in chlorophyll, it's very rich in fiber, proteins, and excellent source of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. Ang Santi barley ay nag-a-alkalinize ang ating katawan, at kapag alkaline yung ating katawan, madaling magde-detox at mag-cleansing yung katawan natin. So madali siyang makakapag-alis ng mga toxins, mga heavy metals, mga even parasites can be removed through barley. And at the same time, kapag nag-detoxify na tayo, maa-absorb na ng katawan fully yung ating mga vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids. And it's also very effective for weight loss, and it's a very good source of energy. That's why ang Santi barley ay ine-endorse ngayon ng a lot of PBA players and a lot of athletes. Everybody can take Santi barley from infancy to adulthood. Una kong ginamit ang Santi barley sa mga cancer patients noong 2010. And then, after talagang makita ko na very effective sa mga cancer patients, ginamit ko sa mga diabetes, heart disease. Tapos, ang very amazing sa aking mga naging experience, marami kaming mga napapalabas na mga kidney stones and gallstones using Santi barley.
It's the grass that's actually good for you.
I would like to also encourage everybody, because of the toxins we get from the food that we eat nowadays, from the pollution that we experience every day, especially here in Metro Manila. I recommend that you take Santi barley every day. Mas maaalis po natin yung maraming toxins, because Santi barley is very effective in detoxifying our bodies, and it's also giving us energy para po sa ating kalusugan.